What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna go ahead and do the install of this black halo I picked up for the Corvette. Show you guys how to install the black halo. It's just a little dirty, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing off. It doesn't seem pretty hard to take off. I think all you gotta do is just remove the target top, just unbolt this, open this up, and unbolt the bolts that are underneath there. The thing that I'm kind of worried about is the weather stripping right here. That's the thing I'm kind of worried about, taking this off and then I guess installing it on here, but it should be fine. That's about it. All you're gonna need is a 7mm and 15 Torx bit. Let me show you guys real quick. 7mm Torx bit 15, Torx bit 15 right here, Torx bit 15. These bolts right here, I don't know if you can see these bolts right here, 7mm, and then your Torx bit right there. Those are 7mm bolts right there. I'm gonna go ahead and get this off real quick. I'll show you guys when I'm done. First, what you're gonna want to do is roll down all the windows, pop the hatch, and then take off the top, the target top. You have to take off the weather stripping right here. Remove some of these clips right there. Right here, there's a clip right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So far, I got most of this weather stripping off. You gotta take out these push pins right here. Pretty easy. They're located, one right here, one right there, and then one right there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. So you just peel this off. Careful, you don't want to, you know, bind it up or tear it. You know, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the old weather strip. I mean, if I have to replace it with a new one, I will. Definitely wash the car, see if it leaks, but it should be fine. These push pins are a little bit of a pain, but if you have like a trim removal tool, so you won't scratch up the paint in the car, whatever. I already kind of scratched up the halo. Not doing this. I locked my keys in the car. I was washing the car and I was grabbing a rag out of the hatch, and you know, just like this, had it open. I set the keys down looking for the cloths I just bought, and then I shut the hatch, dried off the car, and I was trying to, you know, put it back in the garage, and then realized the keys were in there. I tried grabbing a hanger, you know, trying to unlock it. There's if you ever, like, if your battery dies, these cars, there's no keyhole. The only keyhole there is right there. There's a keyhole right there. That's the only keyhole you have for the Corvette. That's the only way you could get in, because if your battery dies or for whatever reason your control doesn't work, you cannot turn on the car, get inside the car, because there's no keyhole or anything. There's just these buttons right here. So in order for you to get in there, you have to use a key. It'll pop once you turn that key. Once you turn the key in that keyhole, let me show you. All right here, gas, then door right here. You pull that, door should come undone, but I didn't have to pull that. Like I said, my keys were in there, so I just popped up the trunk. But yeah, so that's the keyhole you use. Well, that's one reason why I'm replacing this too. You know, some people would have just wrapped it or whatever, but it's scratched up pretty bad, and I don't want the whole top black anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to this and show you a little bit. got done putting on the other stripping right here. Here it goes. You guys can see, you guys feel the difference, but yeah, I think it looks clean like this. What's up, guys? Alright, I'm back. Had to go somewhere real quick to finish off the video. Yes, went ahead, threw some water on there, and nothing leaked through. We're all good to go. Threw the top back on. I think it makes a big difference.